Welcome back, guys. As this course is coming to an end, we need to take note of some things. You can learn more from Tech Academy. So just type Tech Academy on Google, and when you do this, you see our Udemy profile right here. So you could learn more about WordPress if you are new to WordPress, and everything I've said so far, you don't really understand it because this is not a beginner's course for WordPress. But if you want to go through a WordPress beginner course, you can learn more about WordPress. We have the WordPress Google Blogger and Generative AI for blogging guide that teaches you how to use WordPress to create a blog. So this makes you understand the blogging ecosystem of WordPress. And we have other courses about WordPress from SEO to building a WordPress website from scratch. So you could check out all these courses as you end your journey with these. So there are more courses to come, how to develop plugins and themes, how you can build your own custom themes and plugins as well. You're going to learn that as well. So these now are courses you could go through as a beginner. So this is a WordPress web development and web design for beginners. You could go through this as well. And there's an SEO course about WordPress. So to understand the whole SEO ecosystem of WordPress, you could actually do that as well. So the course too is available right here. So you could come to this Tech Academy and you see your SEO, WordPress SEO course right here. And you can come to our official website as well to learn some courses as well, to learn some things. So this now uh give is will give you the avenue to learn more. So there are free courses you could check out from here. So you could come to free courses and you see a lot of free courses on this particular website that you could go through as well. So it's not just about you learning, it's about you improving yourself and getting to grow as you learn all these basically. And as well, Business Knob is open for business. So if any of these things that you see right here is something you need, you can come to Business Knob as well. Won't you be proud to be able to get something from a store we both built together? So this is majorly that. So you could get any of these like plans from Business Knob. So if you check out what we've built so far, and you could replicate what we built right here. You could replicate it as a business idea, you could replicate it as a practice idea, but basically, we are now here to give you this fully. So, customarily, I will hope to see you in any of these courses, or we hope to meet in the future. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.